This is DJI Spark, and today I'll show how you can adjust the largest video cache capacity on this drone. So at the start, you will need to enter the camera view of the DJI Go 4 app. Now, press those three dots you'll find at the top right corner of the screen and select the general settings category. That is the three dots you'll find to your left. Now scroll down and look for the largest video cache capacity. And here you can set this value to be anywhere between 1 GB all the way up to 16 or even automatic. So it will allocate as much cache as whatever storage situation you currently have allows for. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.